Hi, today I will show you how you can convert a private trigger into a public trigger in SAP Signavio Cross Governance. This allows external parties to start a workflow, for example. You can find the documentation with the differences between the triggers in the video description. In this onboarding process, I want the new employee who is still an external to enter their name and the address in this form. To do this, I simply click on the Turn into Public Trigger field. The link on the left side will change, as you can see. Now I just have to click on Publish Changes. They can send the link to my smartphone. Here I'm filling out the form with my smartphone. This is not logged into Signavio, so it is external in this case. Of course, this also works with other devices. When I look in Signavio again, I now find a new workflow with the corresponding data, so the public trigger worked. I hope the video has helped you. Have fun developing and see you next time. Bye.